I tell you, I mean, if Robbie was a comic, he's what we would call an impersonator. If Robbie was a painter, he's what we would call a forger. If Robbie was a writer, we would call that person a plagiarist. Because he's a musician, he can play guitar, he can just go on playing other people's hard-written material for days and days. All those people that slaved and worked to write their own songs and their own music, like Elvis Presley. All right. The truth is, Robbie DaCosta is not actually a human being. He was produced by Skynet. He's got that right. He was sent back to our era from the future in order to kill the Frankie Hernandez band.
Yeah!
He was also sent here to rid the world of that horrible bullshit pop music that's on Kiss FM.
Yes!
Which is part of the reason he plays every fucking night at every venue in the valley. That and he has to pay off his beer tax. I think it's also part of his marketing. If you play every show, then no other musicians can compete against you, right?
You're way too good, man. Have some more.
He doesn't have notes.
Certainly why I don't play in the southern end of the...
And he has no notes at all. I just have this calculator. Robbie has to play those shows because he's so broke. The holes in Robbie's pockets are bigger than the holes in the ozone layer from Tammy's hairspray. I'm sorry, Tammy. I do love you, Tammy. Tammy is Talent's favorite bartender. Talent's favorite bartender. Tammy's come a long way since she used to teach high school in Texas and Florida. That's why she works at a bar now, because now she's guaranteed to only go home with some guy that's 21 years or older. And we got Polly. Polly has entered the room. Talent's second favorite bartender. He'd be number one, but Tammy's tits are still prettier. And she's got legs.
Yeah, but mine at 53 might be bigger, you know what I mean? So.
Actually, I saw Polly driving to Medford the other day, and I went to wave, and I was like, oh shit, I must be high on methamphetamines and PCP, because seeing Polly behind the wheel of a car is like, I don't know, finding Carmen Sandiego in the hills of Afghanistan. Sure, we got a bit live, but fucking Carmen Sandiego's still out there, isn't he? She. What the fuck? We ever gonna catch that motherfucker?
So shit. Oh, fuck.
So when I say that Robbie DaCosta plays everywhere in the valley, I mean this guy plays everywhere in the valley. I took my lady camping last weekend. We went out into nature, just her, me, nature, some fucking good loving sex under the moonlight, and just we're laying there, we're breathing the fresh air of the hills and through the trees above the Hyatt Lake. All of a sudden I hear the call. Lucille! Whatever the other lyric is, Lucille! Robbie DaCosta was playing in the fucking woods on my camping vacation. Can you believe it? And then we left. I guess he was playing the code. When we came down the next morning, he was playing the gas station when we got to town to fill up.